In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gmail's advanced search to find emails fast. First, open Gmail on your computer. Using a desktop browser gives you the full set of search tools and makes everything easier to see. Once you're in your inbox, look at the top where the search bar sits. That bar is your gateway to powerful filters that can save you a lot of scrolling. Next, click the search options icon at the far right end of the search bar. It looks like three horizontal lines stacked together. When you click it, a panel drops down with several fields. Think of this panel as a form that tells Gmail exactly what to look for, so you don't have to rely on vague searches. In the subject field, type the keywords that would appear in the email subject line. Keep it as specific as you can. If you remember an exact phrase, put it in quotes to match it precisely. If you're not sure of the exact wording, try a distinctive word you're confident was in the subject. Avoid generic terms like update or meeting unless you pair them with something unique. Now refine your search with other fields. In From, enter the sender's email address or the person's name as it appears in your contacts. In To, use the recipient if you're looking for messages you sent or emails that targeted a specific address. The Has the Words field is great for searching the body of the email. You can add multiple words, use quotes for exact phrases, or use basic operators like OR to include alternatives and a minus sign to exclude a term. For example, adding a minus before a word helps remove irrelevant results. If you suspect the message included a file, consider selecting the option for messages with attachments. A little specificity here can dramatically shrink your results and surface exactly what you need. When you're ready, click Search at the bottom of the panel. Gmail will show you the results that match your criteria. If you see too many results, return to the search panel and add another detail, or replace a broad term with something more precise. If you're getting no matches, try removing one condition or swapping a very specific term for a broader one. That's it. With these fields and a bit of careful wording, you can zero in on important emails in seconds instead of digging through pages of messages. Practice a couple of searches and you'll build a feel for which keywords and fields give you the best results. Thanks for watching and happy searching.